This is verse number 15 from chapter 59.
Yes.
Surah Al-Hashr. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. La yuqatilunakum jami'an illa fi quram muhassanatin aw min wara'i judur. Basuhum bainahum shadid. Tahsabuhum jami'an wa qulubuhum shatta. Zalika bi annahum qawmun la yaqilun. The translation is, they will not fight you in a body except in fortified towns or from behind walls. Their fighting among themselves is swear. Thou thinkest them to be united, but their hearts are divided. They are a people, they are who have no sense.
Huzur, could this verse apply to the Muslims of today in relation to Ahmadiyya?
Yes, evidently it applies. Here, the word bas should be correctly understood. Basahum bainahum shadid, what was the word?
Basuhum bainahum shadid.
Bainahum shadid. It does not necessarily mean any fight between them with weapons. But when they severely criticize each other and oppose each other, that is also a sort of war between them. So that is why the second following verse says, "Tahsabuhum jami'an wa qulubuhum shatta." If they were fighting openly, how could you think that they are together? So the word "tahsabuhum jami'an" indicates that apparently when they are not fighting, still their hearts are divided. See? So perhaps these things could not be expressed properly in translations, because translator has his limitations. So that is why it's not made clear from the verse, from the translation of the verse. It is applicable, of course, to the present people who oppose Ahmadiyya. There are very strong differences of opinion, so strong that the verbal fight they have with each other, and this happens privately underneath. They go on opposing each other and declaring each other kafir in their encounters, but they put up a show of being together against Ahmadiyya. Their jama is not among themselves but against Ahmadiyya.